How to create a Walmart account. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser, then in search address bar, visit walmart.com. Once you are inside the official website of Walmart, you can see sign in or create account on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and you will be navigated to create your account. Now, once there, all you have to do is simply enter the email or phone number you want to create Walmart account for. You will see an option to enter your email address. The site will check whether you have already an account or not. Now, all you have to do is fill out your information: first name, last name, email address, password, and after that, agree to terms and verify your email. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.